Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this clear vinyl bag. It is a great project for beginners to get you used to using the sewing machine and get you used to this whole sewing thing. I really love the bag, it turned out great and I'm actually looking forward to sewing another one. So let's get right onto the materials you need so you can also create a beautiful bag like this. So you need an Ankara fabric or any fabric of your choice. I chose this fabric because I liked the ink bloated pattern on it. You also need scissors, thread, vinyl, and a sewing machine. You cannot sew this project by hand. It would be so tedious and you really wouldn't love the experience. This sewing machine is great for beginners. It has all the stitches you need and you're good to go. To begin, you need to cut out 3 vinyl pieces. I cut my 13 by 17 inches. You can make yours any measurement you want depending on how big or how small you want. You also need to cut out strips from your vinyl sheet for the straps. I cut mine 24 inches long and 1.5 inches wide. The next step is to cut out your fabric piece. I cut mine 10 by 15 inches. After all the cutting is done, you need to make zigzag stitch all around your fabric piece to prevent it from fraying. After sewing your zigzag stitch around the fabric, place it on top one vinyl sheet and then place another vinyl sheet on top of both the fabric and the vinyl sheet at the bottom. Sounds complicated, but it's not. Just sandwich your fabric in between 2 vinyl stitches. That's what you do, and you make sure that you smooth it out because you don't want any bubbles in between. The vinyls stick together, but you just need to make sure that there's no bubble in between, so just spread it out evenly and ensure that your fabric is well centered. To ensure that things don't move around, I clipped the edges of the vinyl sheets together with pegs. You can use wonder clips if you have, or sellotape, but do not use pins. It would leave a forever hole in your vinyl sheet. So I just use these clothing pegs to clip the edges together and take it to the sewing machine to sew. Now you're gonna take it to the sewing machine and sew around the fabric piece. I sewed 1 inch away from the edge of the fabric piece. Sewing the vinyl together was the challenging part of this project because the vinyl doesn't move smoothly over the sewing machine, so you need to take your time, slowly but surely you'll get to the end and finish. After sewing your fabric and vinyl sheet sandwich, you're then going to place the last sheet of vinyl on top of your sandwich and then sew around it, leaving one end open for your opening. Okay, so when you're done sewing, open up your bag and pinch both sides of the bag, making sure that the seams are aligning because you want to make a boxed base. Afterwards, then I sewed about 1.5 inches away from the tip of the bag down the triangle. Cut out the excess vinyl sheet to make it easy to turn the bag. Now comes the fun part, turning the bag. Takes a little patience once again, but the result is fantastic. These are the straps. Like I said, they're 24 inches long and 1.5 inches wide. So I'm gonna fold that into two and sew down the entire length. The straps are all done now. I am going to take it and place it inside the bag about 3 inches away from the edge of the bag. Place it in and sew it in a rectangular shape, just all the four corners of the straps. Sew that down to make it secure, and do the same for the other side and the second strap. Once that is done, you have yourself a clear vinyl bag, customized and made by yourself, for yourself, or for anyone you want to make it for. That is the beauty of DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna make another bag with a different fabric and a different design. Just experiment. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel. Looking forward to more DIY videos. Also, in the comment section, give me ideas. Tell me what you want me to make next in my next video. And also, don't forget to check out my last video on my top 10 sewing projects for 2018, the things that I sewed in 2018. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.